we are doing the meditation. So basically meditation, the state which, what is a meditation if we ask a simple question? So it's a thoughtless awareness where we do not have a thoughts. What happened every day we are getting a thoughts, thousands of thoughts. One thought will come, then it slowly go down. Another thought will come, then it goes down. So this sine wave will be the continuous wave. But what happened? There is a fraction of a second where we do not have any thoughts. But that duration is very small. But when we do meditation, that duration will get increased. So in the bottom diagram, you can see there is an increase in a duration between two thoughts. So this state we call as a thoughtless awareness, or in Hindi we call as nirvicharita, or in Sanskrit we call as a turiya. So this is the only state which we are going to achieve. That is called as a meditation. Okay. Then how after doing a meditation? Yes, we feel a very relaxed, even much more relaxed than the way we feel after deep sleep. Much more positive energy, much more relaxed, joyful than a deep sleep. So in deep sleep, we sleep for hours, but when in thoughtless awareness, by just doing the 5 minutes of thoughtless awareness, we get a much more benefit of deep sleep. And beyond that, the uh, experience will be something like that we cannot explain you in a words, but it will be a experience that we can enjoy inside our body. So that is a state of thoughtless awareness. So with the today's session, it will be not theory or it will not be presentation, but what you will be going to carry is the inner freedom, inner peace, experience of spirituality that you will be going to carry at the end of session. You will feel a very joyful energy. You will feel a relax. Your brain will be completely silent for some time, and you feel a joyful energy in that time. So that is the state we are going to achieve with the today's meditation. So yeah, as I told you, there are a lot of benefit of meditation. So one thing is like, if you are doing exercise, you will get the benefit. You all are agree, right? If you do the exercise, you all will get the benefit. Similar way, if you do the yogasana, you will get the benefit, because yogasana will help you to strengthen your muscle from inside. After yogasana, what is the state we call as a pranayam, or a breathing exercise that gives a much more benefit. In market there are huge number of pranayam. Which pranayam is good for you, you don't know. You are just doing by watching the TV or reading some book, and you are doing it mechanically, like forcing one nose strip, inhale in out. When you do a meditation, whichever pranayam is suitable for your body, that pranayam will be happen automatically by your body. You don't have to do any mechanical stuff. It will happen automatically, and that give much more benefit than pranayam. So meditation is a superior state where we get all the benefit of yogasana, pranayam, and much more of that. In day-to-day life, we can say it balance our physical need, mental need. It gives a balance on our physical aspect, mental aspect, and spiritual aspect. So we get a complete balance. If we don't have this balance, what will happen? Our stress level will increase. Basically, stress is the entry point for all the disease. Stress is a silent killer. If you didn't handle properly, it will disturb your future path. And the stress will come because of lot of factor in our day-to-day life, like lot of pressure, our ergonomics, like we are sitting 8 to 10 hours in front of laptop or a desk, then our ergonomics get disturbed. We are taking a lot of medicine which has a lot of side effect. We are eating a food which is not properly cooked, or not a properly what we say that not authentic food, and then We have a lot of negative thoughts from the different part of life, like TV, extremist people, political party. So all this will lead to inner stress, and that is the point where we cannot handle stress properly. We are entering into a lot of problem. To take this in the next level, we need to do the meditation. We need stress, and the root of the stress can be completely removed with the meditation, and that is the Sahaj Yoga meditation. In Sahaj Yoga meditation, there will be a Kundalini energy which get activated from the bottom of our spinal cord, and it goes to top of our head, and we feel the cool or hot breeze, and then we can experience that phenomenon that we are getting a complete place awareness. So we need to understand the difference between what is the state we have now and after the meditation. So I will request you just close your eyes for 2 minutes and observe the feeling on your both the palm and top of your head. And then we'll do experiment after our practical session. So can you do this for just 2 minutes? Did you observe there is a you observe on both your palm and top of your head? Please close your eyes and do sit for 2 minutes in a silent meditation and observe the feeling on your palm and top of your head. Now slowly open your eyes. Now here, if you see right now, you are still getting some thoughts of past or thoughts of future, and still you are thinking many thoughts. One will come, another will come, and you are involving in that thought. But same thing we will observe once we do the meditation. And what are the changes we will observe that we will experience. Okay. So before we do a practical session, let me explain you the practical step first. And I can show you this small energy animation for 2 minutes, how our energy get activated from the spinal cord and how it goes to nourish all 7 energy center and go to the top. So this is a small animation. Let me show you. So this is how you see the Kundalini energy get activated and it nourishes the 7 energy centers. First is the Muladhara, then slowly it goes to the Swadhisthana chakra, which to generate the gray cell for our brain. And then slowly it goes to the Nabhi chakra. From Nabhi chakra it goes to the heart chakra, and from heart chakra it goes to the Vishuddhi. This Vishuddhi chakra is responsible for ear, nose, throat, eyes. And then it goes to the optic chasma, which is called as Agya chakra. And then it goes to top of our head, which we call as a limbic area. This one we call as a Sahasrara chakra. Okay. So I will, as you already attended, a lot of people some theory part, and also I got a request from ma'am to continue with the practical. So we will having concentration more on practical. Now we'll do the practical straight away. So I request Mr. Devesh Prakash to take the control and take the practical for this session. Mr. Devesh Prakash, you are there?
Hi everybody, good afternoon. Hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. I am stop sharing, and you can directly take the left right balancing and self realize. I'm stopping my screen.
Sure. Thanks, sir. I think that's a right approach, to go for the experience directly, because I keep on telling people that, is instead of, understanding the theory of water, if somebody is thirsty and I take lecture on what is water, then hydrogen and carbon and oxygen, all those aspects, then somebody who is thirsty will say, I need water, I don't need theory. So that's a very good approach I think you guys have requested. So what we will do is straight away we will get into the practical aspect of experiencing what we want to do. So certainly that's a very good initiative taken by you all to work on the experience. So before I start the experience part, I will tell you two things, because after the session, people actually call me and say that, what are the two most important things which is required to experience it better. So I will tell you upfront what is that is expected from you to understand and experience it better. So only two things which is required. There is no external thing which is required, only two things required. One is that we need to have the desire and we should have the confidence. The desire that we want it and confidence that we will get it. If we have both of them, then certainly we will be able to achieve what we want to achieve today. So that's the very important part of experience, because we all are willing to have that experience. So I will just concentrate more on the experience part. So first of all, what is that we are supposed to do is we will keep both of our hands on our lap. So both the hands with the palm facing sky, both the hands, we will keep it like this. With the palm facing sky, we'll keep both the hands on our lap. We all are, if we are sitting on the chair, we'll keep both the feet apart. And if we are wearing any shoe, slipper, etc., we'll just take it out. The idea is that our sole of our feet should touch the ground. That is always beneficial, right? So we'll do that. We will avoid any kind of any other thought, etc. Just to focus on two things, which is we should have the desire and we should have the confidence. And then keeping both the hands on our lap, then what we will do is step one is we will keep our right hand upside down, right? In this case, our hand is facing towards the earth, right? So that is the step one. Then we will keep both the hands on our lap back, and we will raise our left hand like this with the palm facing towards our back. Okay. And then again we will keep it back. Then we will keep our right hand on our heart. Right? We'll keep our right hand on our heart. Then we will keep it just below the ribs area. we'll keep it just below the ribs area, and then we'll keep it just above our belt area, and then again we will keep it back above below the ribs area. Then again we will keep it on our heart, and then we will keep it. This is little tricky. We will keep it on the back of our neck and turn our face towards right hand side. You have got it right. It is like garlanding yourself with your hand and turning your face towards right hand side. And then we will stretch our palm and we will put it on our forehead. So one side is pressing the temple on one side, with the thumb pressing on the temple on the other side. We'll keep both the hands on our forehead, and we will press it as we press when we have headache. Then we will keep it on the back of our neck and turn our face towards the sky. And then in the end, we will stretch our palm. We'll completely stretch our palm, both the fingers, all the fingers going upwards. We'll keep the center of our palm on the center of our head, and we will rotate it 7 times clockwise so that the skin of the scalp moves. Then we will keep it down, and then we will keep our left hand on the top of our head. We'll keep it 2-3 inches above our head, and we will try to calibrate wherever we feel some kind of sensation. In some people it comes at 10 inches and some people comes at 2 inches, which is why I'm saying we will just find out where we are feeling, and then we will do it with our right hand, similar exercise, and understand what we are feeling. And in the end, we will keep both of our hands like this towards the sky. So this is all we will be doing today, right? And this will all help us to achieve what we want to achieve, which is the deep state of peace. And we will certainly achieve what we want to. So now what is that we need to do is we will do all of this with our closed eyes. We will close our eyes, okay, and we will complete this entire process with our closed eyes. I will keep on guiding you in terms of what we are supposed to do. To look at a screen or anything, what will help is, let's say if you are not able to figure out what I am instructing you, then you may wait for my second instruction, wherein I will guide you what is to be done in the next step, and basis that will experience that. And once again, I reiterate, there are only 2 things required. One is our desire, and the other thing is our confidence. So if we all have that ready with us, we'll start this process, right? If anybody has any question in terms of any process, or if you want me to repeat, you can unmute yourself, or if you want, you can type it on the chat. Some of you can, and then we will. Everybody ready? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. On our lap, we'll keep both the hands on our lap, and we will very slowly close our eyes. We all will close our eyes. After the closing the eye, we will pray to Mother, and who we are praying to is Mother of all the mothers, the the power of God who has created this entire universe. So we are praying to the energy or the power of God. So, and which resides within us. So we are not praying to anything outside, we are praying to ourselves. But we will call that energy as our mother. So we will pray to Mother, oh Mother, we have very pure desire that we want to experience your divine love. We want to experience the peace. We all want to get into deep state of meditation. It is our ardent desire that we want to feel the deep state of meditation. This prayer, the more it comes from your heart, the more effective it will be, right? So we all should again say within ourselves from the core of heart, "Oh Mother, please bless us with purity, please bless us with peace, please bless us with love, please take me into deep state of meditation." Now we will place our right hand towards Mother Earth. Here we will pray to Mother, oh Mother, please purify my left channel. Oh Mother, please invoke the power of pure desire in me. Oh Mother, please purify my left channel. Please take away all the impurities of my left channel into Mother Earth. Once again, we'll pray, oh Mother, please bless me with all positivity of the entire universe. Let it enter through my left hand. Take away all the negativity within me through earth element. Now, now we will try to observe the flow of energy in our left hand. Once again, we will pray, O Mother, please invoke the power of pure desire in me. And once again, we will observe the flow of energy in our left hand palm. We will try to observe if it is hot or cold, or if it is in the center of the palm or at any specific finger. Once again, we'll pray, O Mother, please purify my left channel. Now we will take our right hand on our lap and we will raise our left hand. Here we will pray to Mother, O Mother, please invoke the power of pure action in me. O Mother, please invoke the power of pure action in me. Please purify my right channel. Please take away all the impurities of my right channel into ether element. O Mother, please take away all the negativity of my right channel into ether element. O Mother, please invoke the power of pure action in me. We will observe the flow of energy in our right hand palm. We'll observe if it is in the center of the palm or at any fingertips. Once again, we will pray to Mother, O Mother, please bless me with all positive energy of universe. Let it come through my right hand palm. Now we'll take down our left hand. Now we will pray to Mother, O Mother, please invoke the power of evolution in me. O Mother, please invoke the power of evolution in me. Please keep me in balance and harmony. Please bless me with absolute innocence. Now we'll place our right hand on our heart. Here we will pray to Mother, O Mother, and ask a question. Am I a spirit? O Mother, am I a spirit? O Mother, am I a spirit? O Mother, am I a spirit? Now we'll place our right hand just below the ribs. And here we will pray to Mother and ask a question. O Mother, am I my own master? O Mother, am I a spirit? O Mother, am I my own master? Now we'll place our right hand just above our belt area. Here we will pray to Mother, O Mother, please bless me with pure divine knowledge. O Mother, please bless me with pure divine knowledge. O Mother, please bless me with pure divine knowledge. Now we'll place our right hand back just below the ribs. Here we will pray to Mother. O Mother, I am my own master. O Mother, I am my own master. O Mother, I am my own master. Now we'll place our right hand on our heart again. Here we will pray to Mother. O Mother, with your blessings, I am a pure divine spirit. O Mother, with your blessings, I am a pure divine spirit. I am not this thought. I am not this mind. I am neither ego nor superego. I am neither these five elements nor these five senses. I am nothing but pure divine spirit. O Mother, with your blessings, I am a pure divine spirit. Now we will place our right hand on the back of our neck and turn our face towards right hand side. Here we will pray to Mother. O Mother, I am not guilty at all. O Mother, I am not guilty at all. O Mother, I am not guilty at all. I am a pure divine spirit. How can a spirit be guilty? O Mother, I am not guilty at all. O Mother, I am not guilty at all. O Mother, I am not guilty at all. Now we will place our right hand on our forehead, and here we will pray to Mother. O Mother, please bless me with power of forgiveness. O Mother, with the power bestowed upon me, I forgive everyone, including myself. Here we will pray from the heart. We will pray from the core of my heart. O Mother, I forgive everyone, including myself. O Mother, I forgive everyone in general. O Mother, I forgive everyone, including myself. O Mother, from the core of my heart, I forgive everyone, including myself. Now we will place our right hand on the back of our head and we will rest our head on the hand. We will face towards the sky. Here we will pray for our own satisfaction. O Mother, if I have done anything wrong, knowingly or unknowingly, please forgive me. O Mother, if I have done something wrong, knowingly or unknowingly, please forgive me as I have forgiven everyone. O Mother, as I have forgiven everyone, please forgive me. Now we will stretch our palm and put it on the top of our head. We'll stretch our palm and rotate it 7 times clockwise. And each time we will ask for a divine blessing. Here we will pray to Mother, O Mother, please bless me with self-realization. 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 Now, very slowly, we will take down our right hand and keep it back on our lap. We will enjoy this state and we will place our left hand on the top of our head and we will keep it little up or down, forward or backward. Wherever we feel the flow of energy coming out of our head, we will just calibrate little bit up or down, forward or backward. Wherever we feel the flow of energy, we'll observe the flow of energy. We'll find if it is hot or cold. Now we'll take down our left hand and we will raise our right hand on the top of our head. Again, we will try to calibrate, move it little forward or backwards, little up or down. Wherever we feel the flow of energy, we'll observe whether if it is hot or cold. Now we will take down our right hand and again we will test it ourselves like a scientist. Again we will observe if it is hot or cold. Now we will take down our left hand and now we will raise both of our hands towards the sky. We will observe the flow of energy. As we are going to ask a question whether we will see whether there is a flow of energy which is increasing or decreasing or it remains the same while we ask this question. So we will ask the question, "Oh Mother, what I am feeling in both of my palms, is it the cool breeze? Oh Mother, what I am feeling in both of my palms, is this the Param Chaitanya?" We'll continue to observe the flow of energy. And very slowly, we will take down both of our hands on our lap. we will continue to close our eyes. We'll sit in this state of joy for a couple of moments, and just to facilitate that, we will continue to enjoy this music. Now, very slowly, we'll open our eyes. Very slowly, we will take at least 30 to 40 seconds to completely open our eyes. We will open it very slowly. And those who have got into deep state of meditation, they may even not like to open their eyes. But very slowly we'll open our eyes. We'll take at least 30 seconds to open our eyes. We should not open our eyes just like that. Right? So, hope you have experienced the peace within, and you can actually write down in the comment section what have you felt, or if anybody has any question in terms of the process, or any question that you have in your mind that will help you to improve or grow in meditation, please raise that question either verbally, or you can write down in the comment section. If anybody has a, you can raise that question as well. What I think one thing I must tell you is what is that you need to do. I see a lot of good comments. You all are feeling good, and I think you would also want to feel good in future as well. So what I recommend you to do, not necessarily you do the complete steps that I have told you. So what you need to do at home is you need to do it twice a day. And it is, I'm not asking for great investment. It is investment of 5 minutes in the morning and 5 minutes before you are going to bed. If we invest 10 minutes every day, we are going to become a better human being with complete peace and stress-free life. Okay. So what we need to do on a daily basis is, like I said, both the hands on your lap, both the palms facing the sky. Then you can keep your right hand towards Mother Earth. And at this point in time, your left hand is towards the sky. So, which is why left side is getting cleansed. I am just telling you so that it is easy to remember. Because at this time, my left hand palm is towards the sky. You will say, "Oh Mother, please purify my left channel." Then we will keep our right hand on the lap and we will raise our left hand. Since this time our right hand palm is facing the sky, that is getting cleansed. So here we will pray to Mother, "Oh Mother, please purify my right channel." And then we will keep our right hand on our heart. Here we will pray to Mother, "Oh Mother, with your blessings, I am a pure divine spirit." And what you can also do is you can ask for any good thing. You may ask, "Oh Mother, please fill my heart with love. Oh Mother, let me feel the peace." Whatever good thing comes in your mind, you can even ask for that. But what we generally do, we pray, oh Mother, with your blessings, I am a pure divine spirit." But you can also ask